happen all the time.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful Wednesday morning around like 8:15. Just woke up, all the restroom stuff, peed, brushed my teeth, got myself ready. It's a long day today. We worked this morning and we worked tonight. The only difference about this morning is instead of my normal 4 classes, school has started again and I have 1 class this morning, which is kind of sad. So it's gonna be a really long, kind of boring morning with my 1 class and just helping out when I can. But now it is time to get up and go make breakfast. So tired. I don't want to go to work today. I think I added too much water today because it's a little bit liquidy. There's a chunk of something. Oh, that's delicious. That's really good. Y'all, I'm telling you, raspberries fix everything. Everything. All right. I'm gonna go get ready for work and I will talk to you guys later. Alrighty guys, it's been a minute. I'm on break right now. I went ahead and I went over to Kenny's. I hung out. I didn't do anything. I was supposed to be very productive on my break, but I didn't. It's okay. We are now at home. I'm gonna make some lunch before I head back to work to finish up some training, and also go ahead and let the dogs out because I have a flexible schedule and it's nice to let them out more when you can. Alright you guys, I figured out what I am making. So I'm just gonna make spaghetti and meatballs. My mom made some a couple days ago. We still have some of the ingredients left over to make some more. So that's what I'm gonna do. If you don't know how to make spaghetti and meatballs, just get yourself some meatballs, okay? Don't go through the trouble of making fresh ones. HEB, fully cooked, you're good, just warm them up. Then get your pasta, marinara sauce, and I like a thicker marinara sauce, so I'm gonna add some tomato paste and fresh chopped tomatoes. And to be a little bit healthier, I'm gonna add some spinach in there, and then, ew. That's it, yeah. Alrighty you guys, the noodles have started to boil. We have some oil in the pan, just heating up right now. There's the marinara sauce. First, we're gonna put in the spinach, let it cook down a little bit, then add the tomatoes because I still like them firm. Then we'll add in the sauce. And by then, the noodles should be done. So we'll let them cool, then add in the meatballs and the pasta into the pot, stir it all up, and we'll be good to go. Alrighty guys, sauce is in, noodles are almost done. I'm gonna give the meatballs just a little bit of cover to steam a little bit. Guys, if you don't have these silicone mats, pot covers, oh, they're amazing. We have like 3 different sizes and they work on every single pot we have. They're fantastic. You guys, the pasta is done. It looks so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Wait! Oh my god, please tell me I have red Parmesan cheese. Yes. I'm not really supposed to eat cheese, but just a little bit of Parmesan cheese goes a long way. Ugh. Oh yeah, baby. It's time to clean up this beautiful mess I created in my kitchen. I also somehow ended up getting it on my shirt. I don't know, can you see that? I really don't even know how. But time to clean up. Took me all of about 8 minutes. But, oh my goodness. But anyway, it is time for me to head back to work to finish up some training. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these dogs away, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, you guys. So it has been like forever since we've talked, and I don't know why I decided to make a day in my life on a Wednesday when I work most of the day anyway, and I can't really bring you along to work because I work in a pool. But it was a good day. Yeah, after I ate, I got myself ready, came back to work, finished up some online training for the front desk, and then I hopped in the water and had my classes. My kids were cute today. They were super cute. I love them. I love working as a swim school teacher. It's the best thing in the world. Working on editing the next week in my life. So tired. But I need to at least get this edited so tomorrow I can get it processed and loaded up into my channel and ready for Monday, which is good because what is today? Today is Wednesday, so tomorrow there is a vlog already ready to go up, and then yeah, so we have that one ready to go. We have this one I'm editing right now. It's gonna go up the following Monday, and then you'll see this sometime in the future. I need to go to sleep. I'm talking nonsense now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this day in my life, because once this is done editing, I'm going to bed, and you should do the same. Bye!